Nike Pegasus Premium Tattoo delivers a bold evolution of Nike's women's focused performance line, bringing a rich, ink-inspired aesthetic to a high-tech running model. Designed with a deep burgundy palette and layered texture work, this colorway stands out through its intricate shading, pigment-dense finish, and premium detailing. The upper blends open-knit mesh, ripstop panels, and synthetic overlays, creating a breathable yet structured base that mirrors the depth of tattoo artistry. A glossy swoosh with a charcoal blue tint adds dimension, while the vertical Pegasus branding keeps the silhouette sharp and modern. Underfoot, the shoe packs serious performance. A full-length Sumex midsole paired with a visible air unit in the heel delivers cushioning, energy return, and smooth propulsion for daily training. The sculpted profile stays sleek, and the traction pattern is built for versatile surfaces. With its moody tones, technical design, and standout personality, the Pegasus Premium Tattoo is set to become one of Nike's most eye-catching upcoming releases.